Greetings all and welcome to lesson 7 on AmiBroker. In the last lesson, we have learned how to backtest a strategy and how to check if it is profitable or not. In today's lesson, we are going to go a step ahead and talk about a very important aspect in the world of algo trading called as optimization. We are going to talk about what is optimization, what are the types of engines, how to do optimization, and how AmiBroker can help us with its inbuilt engine to optimize a strategy. Why do we need to optimize? We'll talk about that also in detail, and then we are going to take an example and we're going to optimize a strategy. So let's start. First of all, when we talk about optimization is nothing but permutations and combinations of parameters or risk reward ratio or time frame to come up with a profitable setup of strategy. For example, let us say you are running a moving average crossover strategy. Now let us say you backtest a strategy with 2050 parameter, and then when you realize that okay, 2050 is not profitable, then you might switch to say some different parameters on EMA, maybe say 30 and 100 or 50 and 200, so forth and so on. And finally, to optimize it further, you might change the time frames. From 5 minutes chart, you might backtest the report on a 3 minutes chart or in a 1 minute chart or on maybe a 15 minutes chart. You might also adjust your risk reward ratio. Maybe you might have a 1% stop loss, 2% target, or maybe 2% stop loss and 4% target, so forth and so on. So optimization is nothing but permutations and combinations of your existing setup to find an ideal pair, and this ideal setup will give you the maximum profit if deployed in live market. So we basically optimize to find the best possible combination for a selected script or a selected watch list and then deploy the strategy. Now optimization is an exclusive feature of AmiBroker. In any other platform like be it Zerodha Streak or TradingView or maybe MT4 or any other platform, you will have to manually do this optimization. You will have to manually do the permutations and combinations and then come to a conclusion that which is a best possible pair. In AmiBroker, optimization is an exclusive feature and it is inbuilt. That means AmiBroker will find the best possible combination of your strategy and it will help you make the most out of it. Not only that, AmiBroker also in the previous few years have developed few engines which will speeden up the optimization process. I am going to show you on AmiBroker how optimization is done on AmiBroker without the use of engines and with the use of engines. So let me directly take you to AmiBroker. So this is AmiBroker, and in the last few sessions we have developed this moving average crossover strategy. We have embedded backtest code and explore code also in the strategy. Today we are going to deploy the optimization code in the same strategy, that is EMA crossover. So to do that, I'll just go to edit formula. I'm going to edit formula, and this is a strategy that we have developed in last few sessions. And to embed the optimization code, it is very simple. All you have to do is use the inbuilt keyword called as optimize. So I've already done that. I'm just going to show you that as well. So if I scroll down, you will see that if a user selects OPT, I have defined a variable called as OPT here. I've given a toggle between off and on, whether a user wants to switch off the optimization or switch on the optimization. If a user switch on optimization, then I have used the inbuilt variable called as optimize. Now this variable will automatically optimize both EMA1 and EMA2, and that's it. These 4 lines of code is enough to optimize my EMA crossover. So currently in my example, I am just optimizing EMA1 and EMA2. Similarly, if you want to optimize target, to optimize stop loss, you can do all of that as well. To begin with, I'm just going to show you how to optimize EMA1 and EMA2. And once you write this, you just have to mention from what EMA. So I've just mentioned that my EMA range will be 1 till 100 for EMA1, and EMA2 range will be also 1 till 100. So I have 1 to 100 range for EMA1 and 1 to 100 range for EMA2. Now when I apply this, and now if I want to optimize this particular EMA crossover, all I have to do is go to the analysis tab. So I'll go to analysis, old automatic analysis. Here I have already done that, so I will be doing it again in front of you. So I'm going to the parameters, and in the parameters I'm switching on the optimization. If I don't have the optimization code written, AmiBroker will not optimize on its own. So if the optimization engine is off, and now if I click on this inbuilt optimize button, AmiBroker will throw an error saying that you haven't specified any variables for optimization. But the moment I switch on this optimization, since I have written a code to optimize EMA1 and EMA2, it will start working. So when I click on OK and when I click on optimize, it will say the formula requires 10,000 optimization step. Now you might be wondering why there are 10,000 steps, because EMA1 is between 1 to 100, so there are 100 variables. EMA2 is also 1 to 100, so there are 100 variables. So when you multiply 100 into 100, so there are 10,000 permutations and combinations between EMA1 and EMA2, and AmiBroker will do all of that to find out the best possible version. Not only 10,000, it can do unlimited variables. For example, if I edit my formula, let us say if I click no here, if I go to edit the formula, and in the optimization engine, if I write I want to have EMA1, I want to have EMA from 1 all the way till say 1000, similarly EMA2 from 1 all the way till 1000. So now it will multiply 1000 into 1000. So that means there are approximately 10 lakh permutations and combinations possible. So now when I click on apply, and now when I click on optimize, it will say that you have 10 lakh permutations and combinations. So this way AmiBroker will do all the permutations and combinations for you and find out the best possible version. The moment you click on yes, so now it will do 10 lakh permutations and combinations on the current symbol, that is say Aarti India, on the range from 1st of Feb all the way till 31st of July. So now it shows you around 1 hour and 58 minutes is needed to do all the permutations and combinations, and it is showing you the engine. So in AmiBroker there are two types of engines. One is exhaustive engine and the other is non-exhaustive engine. So currently we are using exhaustive engine, and because of which it is taking a lot of time, and it is optimizing CAR by MDD ratio. So basically the optimization will ensure that your compounded annual return divided by maximum drawdown is the best. This is basically going to take 1.5 hour. So this is what AmiBroker realized, that using exhaustive engines the process is taking a lot of time. So now they developed smart engines. So you can check smart engines in AmiBroker forum. The most popular engine used is CMAE engine. CMAE engine is the most popular engine, and to embed that engine in your existing code is very simple. I am just going to show you how to do that. Right now look at this. It has basically done 10,000 steps out of 10 lakh steps, and around 1 hour 56 minutes is remaining. So I'm just going to cancel this because it's a very lengthy process and not recommended. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the same AFL, come back down. At the bottom of this AFL I am just going to write a single line of code called as optimizer set engine CMAE. Using this single line of code we have integrated CMAE engine inside this. So before optimizing I'll select say State Bank of India. I'll go to analysis, old automatic analysis, and on the current symbol I'm going to go to the parameters and click on optimize. It says there are 6,709 steps. Now instead of 10 lakh steps in the optimization using CMAE engine, there are only 6,709 steps needed. When I click on yes, the optimization has started, and you can see that the engine used is CMAE for State Bank of India, and the reports are ready. According to AmiBroker, the best pair is 1 and 4. So if I go to parameters and change it to say 1 and 4 for State Bank of India and switch off the optimization and then backtest, then you can see that the results are 1037% in last 3 months, where compounded annual return is extremely high. Your winning accuracy is around 58% and your losing accuracy is just 42%. If you want, you can deploy the same on the chart and see it visually as well. So in the parameters, I'm just going to add 1 and 4 for State Bank of India on a 5 minutes chart and make it 1 and 4 and check the accuracy. So now you will see, so you can see this is how the trades have performed. There are n number of trades, but whenever there is a rally, the rallies have given you good profits. So if I go to the reports, you can see that there are around 995 trades taken in last 5 months. We have also included brokerage and taxes of 0.06. In spite of that, we are getting 1037% profits. And if I go to the reports, so this is how the report looks like. Your 1 lakh invested has become 11 lakh rupees, and in the charts you can see this is how the curve has gone up. So this technique is also called as curve fitting technique. So the reports that we show you here might not be exactly how the market will perform ahead, right? So optimization basically gives you an idea of what is the potential of this strategy, and by using optimization engine you can come to a conclusion on which particular optimized pair of parameters for your indicator can work well in future. So to revise, this is how the setup is complete. So you have to decide what parameters has to be optimized in your AFL. It can be indicator value, risk reward ratio, trailing stop loss value, anything. Second, you have to use the inbuilt optimizing engine. So you can use both non-exhaustive and exhaustive engine, but to speeden up the process, it is advisable to use non-exhaustive engines. So this is a difference between exhaustive and non-exhaustive engine. First, it is slow, and exhaustive engines are slow and time consuming. Non-exhaustive engines does faster optimization. In exhaustive engine, only 1 trillion permutations and combinations are possible, whereas in non-exhaustive there is no limit to the set. Exhaustive engines are outdated, non-exhaustive engines are the latest. So this is it for the lesson 7. In the next lesson, we are going to talk about automation, like what is automation, what is API bridge, then how to do live trading using AmiBroker and API bridge. And there are few surprises that I will give you at the end of the lesson 8, so stay tuned for that. And finally, we are going to summarize the entire concept from lesson 1 all the way till lesson 8 of whatever we have learned. Thank you so much for watching this video. Spread knowledge cause it's free, and if you like our content, do like, subscribe and share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.